this is my data set which is downloaded from the Kaggle for the data analysis, and from this data set pivot table is created, and from this pivot table dashboard is created. This is my dashboard which is extracted from the data set. In this graphs there are some slices shown here on the worksheet, on the work. Some slices are above the graph and some slices are below the graphs, in which first we will see for the graph 1, in which there are two slices. One is for the item name and another one is the total cost. What is the total cost of that specific item is mentioned on another slices. So the item names which included in the graphs are laptop, annual software, desk chair, laptop bag, monitor, etc. and its price are 846.76, 871.95, etc. If we see the graph, here in this graph, in the axis there is an item name, and on the sum and on the values there is sum of unit price. Now we will see for the another graph. In this another graph, again here there are two slices for this graphs, in which the total cost is there and the categories are there. What is a category and what is a total cost, and what is the total cost of the accessory. So what are the total cost? In categories there are mentioned some categories, so those are accessories, electronics, furniture, office supplies, stationery and software, and their price and total cost is mentioned on the another slices, which is 1908.5, 1915.58 and etc. So here on the axis there is a category, and on the values there is sum of total cost mentioned here for the second graph. Now we will see for the last graph, which is of last graph, which is of unit count of transaction ID. Here the categories are, again there are two slices mentioned here. In those two slices again the list are accessories, software, stationery, electronics, furniture, office supplies, and its total cost is 6771.79, 7000.06, 1721.2, etc. So here if we will see, here is the count of transaction IDs, for which the dark blue color indicate the Cloudsoft Corporations, and the orange color indicate the Fermiworks Ltd, and the grey color indicate the Office Supplies, where the yellow color indicates the Quick Deliver Ltd, and where the light blue color indicates the Tech Mark In. Here on the categories there are the values, and for the sum there is count of transactions ID and sum of total cost and sum of quantity. So this is my dashboard, which is transaction of items mentioned and explained. Thank you.